Hello guys, welcome to my channel CraftsWithShammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we are going to do this beautiful stone studded quilling jhumkas. Yes, they are made of quilling paper. So let's get started. Firstly, you need some quilling paper. Choose whatever color you want. Now take a quilling tool and start rolling the quilling paper. Glue as you reach the end. As we need more quilling paper, we are going to attach another quilling paper to this. Glue the end after you're done. This is how it looks. Take a quilling jhumka mold and select the size you want. Now take your quilling paper and push it over the mold to shape it into a jhumka. You can also use your thumb to shape it in case you don't have the mold. This is how it looks. Now apply some glue inside and out to harden it. Now take a gold stone chain and glue to the jhumka. And the next layer I used a red colored stone chain. You can use one or two or more colors depending on what colors you want. Keep sticking the stone chains until you reach the top. After you're done, take a pin and insert it. And put a stone ball over it. Using the pliers, bend the ends. Lastly, add a jump ring to the jhumka. Keep this aside. Now we need to make the stud. Take a thick paper and glue a gold kundan over it. Circle around it with a red stone chain. Let it dry for some time. Now cut it out. Take a metal stud and glue it using hot glue gun. You can also use Fevicol, but hot glue is the best. Now you just need to attach this to the Jhumka. That's it, you're done. And nobody can even tell this is a quilling Jhumka. It's too perfect, right? So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and do subscribe. And thank you guys. Meet you in my next video. A happy crafting and bye bye.